everyone. This is the Tapa practicing permaculture. Here we are trying to come up with a Lorena stove. A Lorena stove is made out of bricks, mud, the requirements needed. Banana stem, even the more inputs. We need also some starchy materials to make the mud strong, so that when you are impacting the mud, it will not break. That's why we are trying to put this. We use this as a cement. It is very, very starchy. It contains a lot of starch, so that it helps the mud to be strong. Why are we constructing this Lorena around the communities? Because it helps on reducing the cutting down of trees. Why? Sometimes we use 3 or 2 firewood. We save our income by not using too much firewood in our communities. That is how and why we are constructing the Lorena stoves here in Teso region. This is an organization, not only Lorenas, but we are trying to come up with some solutions, like kitchen gardening, compost making also helps in kitchen gardening, even planting of trees. We are teaching our communities to plant more trees. That's why I've tried to explain about Lorena construction to reduce the cutting down of trees, because this is where we impact youth, mostly youth and women in the Tapa Association. And now see, even some men have joined us to practice this activity. This is the first step. So I take my regards to Applewood and Sector 39 to help or to support, so that we can spread knowledge all over the world. This is Deborah, and here we have our chairperson for Tapa and more executive people for Tapa. They are trying to teach communities and permaculture activities and design tools also. Thank you. The distance from one saucepan to another, 3 centimeters, equivalent to this. Even here, 3 centimeters. Even here, distance to the third saucepan, 3 centimeters. Now, between the wall and the saucepan also, 3 centimeters. That is how we measure Lorena stove. Now, we are now removing this saucepan. The next step now is the foundation. We have come up with the foundation for this what? For this Lorena. For 3 what? Saucepans. Now, you have to go on a box. We can use an axe or a panga or a hoe for coming up with a foundation. Foundation now. Foundation now.
Ni kama ine lupe.
Abete lupalo.
Mata falu na gonga na.
Abeta lo mari. Beta kenapa? Gereja ite. Bale jalan ko. Lupe on ke lo.
Kuna ne do peki kuna kuna.
Ya ununu kubeso pupete besi.
Sasa na bwaka ne kuselupe kamu ile.
The first step is
Kamu no kuikare kuselupe ro ko.
mad. The third step is measuring. The fourth step is a foundation.
Achaka.
Arati to tisara kidin ko pakin jo motan. Ko panaja.
Chaku mngaraja.
Uchonan kamera bali.
Ko panaja.
Oke aja.
Atonjo. Take it.
Toto. Ako to Simon ya unijona aichaka. Ai bibir.
Simon.
Abi jajo. We are packing now. Packing. Nyogi,
Mere payan. Yesu. Murada ada cekai neta.
arai panata. Payan. Kita gogo.
Aku to dong okere.
Payan. Foto wante pon dara ko pe mun to. Elo mata jujur.
Yes. Oh. Yes. Mama konikia SAP biro etia atia ikina.
Ala very daddy. Let epi.
Anga no machakar. Tarata. Aha. Kupi yo.
Papoda ni.
Ikamula iloda.
Nena te bire.
Biro to. Kupi yo. Nan. Ay.
Biro na. Ko eratiak.
Kupi yo keruri kuji.
Lunge solo. Adole.
Kidding. Kupi yo.
Mama ni kwa kile chimuni.
Chimuni mama chie.
Kada na pedo.
Pedo kini.
Kuna ule make it.
Wawe ni kadalasa.
Kana tugunu ne nyakete.
So that's the
Kale masi paga na ngari. Kona kushikaje.
Paga na miti. Yes, where is the panga?
Kwa ntodi kijo kese pole kusere. Kwa na bada nyari ngesikamu to shepo no kero. Ano anga. Tete bakimi kamuna mwana. Boy. Konya na kuku.
Yakira kemu. Kiri ngaro ilita.
Okuzo shepo danga. Nene kwa en. Tete bakimi ne lo muna no buna la hiyo.
Kita macam coba macam pada kini.
Andrew, you go better job. Ralo to one daddy king abu. Monta. Pijo chaka.
Tegi nja mwana baturi.
Kwa petat ni chapa. Kujuda nja milo tundio.
Hey. Dia makinoni. Rale munikere.
Tabeza mno kera nyari.
Kero kwa.
White leader hii.
Nyari no line.
Deurus be beri katiri ni kuni.
Kujukeni mes nyari no konyo kwa po shepo no kwa. Esa nyamba li nyaundi to nini. Kwa mke. Oya meme urukuje kwa.
Ya, apeli.
Arasasili, uko ya arasasili.
Amera bolia.
Bwana ngesi bone pu. Ngesi bone.
Elala kuna ngora na kwa pia. Elala.
Raja nyari kitengezi. Yengana ki.
Ima alalo tata. Ding. Kwetu kwa. Nani kere beti jale. Beti jale kuna ni.
Deni nenda nene lupite ngone kwa masa.
Kere beti jale mna rakatangi.
Bale wewe alikuwa yeye. Nyaji wa computer jale le.
Mama shepo no kwa nono.
Ni jamii la tuno shepo no tetani konda nya. Kwa na pananja yako na luko aborata akipi na damu ile tari kujaji. Yoko otoma. Berke le nenda.
Ile.
Ami nyari kero noi.
Iyo ngarane dane pene jawa dane nini. Kitu bali kota lemu na mgogoto ngi.
Ami nyari kero noi. Tija biara anyane. Marki kijoni. Marki kijoni. Ne kukori.
Ne na kukoro.
Nyakune nyakale.